stock in FedEx really holding at the bottom range of that expected range, what that was. We'll see if it breaks through there or not. Be honest with you, if FedEx makes a little bit of a run back, a little bit of a rally back to the 154 level or so, I'd probably want to short it there. Okay, it's getting hit now. That's good for you, David. Definitely getting hit now. And UPS coming down with it a little bit as well. I'm actually going to look for an entry in UPS here. Totally non-earnings related for UPS. This is all based off of FedEx.